Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your science class now. Students, today we are going to learn question answers from the chapter Uses of Plants. Okay? So, listen carefully. Give your attention, please. Listen carefully. Okay? Read with me. Read the question answer with me. Afterwards, you will memorize it. Question 1. How are acacia tree and rubber tree useful to us? Acacia tree and rubber tree are useful to us as they give us gum and rubber. Then what is the answer? Acacia tree and rubber tree are useful to us as they give us gum and rubber. Okay, so this tree provides us gum and rubber that we have to write. Next, question number 2. Name any two plants each of which we eat. Name any two plants each of which we eat. Okay, we have to write two plants for each. A. Seeds. Seeds from from which plant we get? Wheat, gram. Wheat and gram. B. Roots. Roots from which plant we eat the roots? We get roots from which plants? Carrot and beetroot. Carrot and beetroot. C. Leaves. Which plants provide us leaves as food? Spinach and mint. Do you like mint or coriander? Anyone you can write. Okay, spinach and mint. D. Fruits. So many fruits are there. I have written banana and mango for you. Okay, so these are the things for the question 2. And now question number 3. Name two plants each from which we get. A. Oil. Oil we get from groundnut and mustard. Okay, oil we get from groundnut and mustard. Spices, only two you have to write. Spices, cloves, pepper. CLOVES PEPPER, pepper. C. Listen, for spices you can write cloves, cardamom, then cinnamon. Okay, any of this. C. Medicine, tulsi and neem. Which tree provides us? Which not only tree, I am telling about plants. Neem is a tree, but tulsi is a herb. Okay, so which plant provides us medicine? Only two, that is tulsi and neem. D. Wood. Wood we get from teak, pine. Teak and pine. Teak wood is very expensive. Okay, It is used for making furnitures, then doors, windows. Okay. Number 4. Why do we not use all the oils for cooking? All the oils are not used for cooking, that is not edible. Okay, so write the answer. Learn. Answer: we do not use all the oils for cooking because all oils are not edible. We do not use all the oils for cooking because all oils are not edible. EDIBLE. All oils we cannot have. Okay. Number 5. How plants are useful to us? So for this question, answer will be in points. Okay. So the answer is, plants are useful to us in many ways. A. Plants produce oxygen. Okay. Plants produce oxygen. From where? From their leaves, and absorb carbon dioxide. Okay. You will write only plants produce oxygen. For knowledge, I am telling you, plants produce oxygen from leaves and absorb carbon dioxide. Okay. But you will write plants produce oxygen. Okay. Number 2. Plants give us food, medicines, etc. Plants give us food, medicines, etc. Okay. Point number 3. They provide us with timber, rubber, gum, etc. Point 3 is, they provide us with timber, rubber, gum, etc. Okay. So from this chapter, 5 question answers. Those who have written this answer in their copies already completed, they will memorize this question answer. And those who have not written, still not written this question answers, please write down in your classwork copy. Okay, where you will write in your classwork copy. All these 5 questions should be written in the classwork copy, and you will memorize it. So students, this is what for today, and the class ends here. Good day.